Alright, what's up YouTube? As you can see, we got the car running. Had a couple of issues. I was going to do a bunch of videos and stuff, but I have been crunched for time. Big thanks to Peter Florence, the guy who sold me the megasquirt system. He owns pftuning.com. You can actually order your megasquirts through him. Once we get the tune and everything set on this and you get the dyno numbers down, you'll actually be able to order it with the same tune that I have on here. Right now it's just on kind of a rough base map. It was just enough so I could drive it home because we're going to put it on the dyno this weekend. But as you can see, the air-fuel ratios are pretty close. You know, not terrible. You know, it is running good. Unfortunately, I only got 20 miles on it before there was an issue. This is the oil drain hose that they send. As you can see, it is very thin and brittle. It did not hold up. Somewhere in this area you can see where it's all wet and slimy. There was some kind of a hole. I couldn't find it or whatever. I know it's there because this is where all the oil was at. At any rate, this is the stainless steel braiding that they had on it. I do not recommend getting this. I will, however, say I called Cxracing the second it happened. I spoke with Jake, and Jake was very good with me on the phone. You know, he told me to send him pictures. He busted out an email immediately. I sent him the pictures, and they agreed to send me a new hose. However, the new hose has not gotten here. I went to Napa. Let's see. And I got power steering line return hose in 5/8 diameter. Now you can see how much thicker this is, and that is definitely rated to be able to handle even pressure as to where versus that. Yeah, here we'll do it side by side. You get what I'm saying, y'all? So definitely just go to Napa, get you some power steering return line 5/8, and then you ain't got to worry about it. Let's see, I should have a receipt. Actually, yep, here we go. I think it was 5 foot of it. It's part number 73305. And yeah, so I got it for $17.45. Of course, that's shop cost, so if it costs you a little bit more, don't bitch. It is what it is. I work at a shop. So, but as you guys can see, she is running nice and smooth. Everything sounds good. There's my new hose. Oh, see, y'all can see that gasket I was talking about that I made. Right there, that gray thing sticking out. I don't want to stick my finger down there because it's hot as hell. But right underneath the brass fitting, you can see the gasket. That's the gasket that I had to make for the oil drain. Honestly, I think it was inch and a 16th. Gasket material. I got it in Napa. Great big roll of it. Very reasonable. Just basically lay it on top of whatever it is you're trying to make a gasket of, especially the hole areas. Tap it with a ball peen hammer on the back side of the round part. And that is the best way to make that gasket. And unfortunately, you actually wind up with a whole bunch of extra gasket material, but it is what it is. You know, it's good to have around. You never know when you might need to make something. Without a body gasket or whatever. But there's the turret, there's the intercooler, all that. So I'll do some rides and stuff later, but it was raining its ass off today, and I am not about to try and take this thing out in the rain. So, all right, y'all have a good day.